Discover perfectly clean with Tergo cleaning fluids, the effective and environmentally sustainable vapor degreasing cleaners. They combine powerful cleaning with a better environmental footprint. All Tergo fluids effectively remove contaminants from electronics or other manufactured parts without damaging the substrate. They are engineered specifically for use inside a vapor degreaser for a fast, economical cleaning process that can be automated into standard production lines. Tergo cleaning fluids combine low viscosity and high density to permeate complex shapes, blind holes, and tight spaces. They rigorously displace stubborn soils, then easily flow out of the parts, carrying the contaminants away with them. Tergo cleaning fluids have a low boiling point, so they consume less energy, resulting in overall cost savings. And since parts come out of the vapor degreaser dry, spot-free, and cool enough to handle, workers move to the next production process faster. Tergo cleaning fluids are environmentally sustainable with a global warming potential of less than 10 and a zero ozone depleting potential. They are not classified as hazardous air pollutants and meet global regulations. They are also thermally stable and non-flammable for extra safety. Tergo performance fluids are recycled and reused inside the closed-loop vapor degreaser hundreds of times before being distilled and disposed, saving expensive hazardous waste material handling costs. They require little monitoring as they don't turn acid inside the vapor degreaser. There is no weekly acid acceptance testing or added scavengers or stabilizers, so they are easier to use without special training. They make ideal replacements for legacy solvents that are under scrutiny for environmental and worker safety. Tergo cleaning fluids have higher worker exposure limits than other solvents, making them safer for workers to be around, with almost no aroma for happier, more productive workers. Here are the Tergo Performance Fluids standouts. Tergo chlorine-free cleaning fluid contains no chlorine, providing better air quality and a safer work environment. It is a two-part co-solvent system for vapor degreasing. The lower temperature cleaning fluid is followed with a higher temperature rinsing agent to effectively remove contaminants from most substrates. Tergo High Performance Flux Remover easily removes stubborn printed circuit board flux residues. Its patented formula combines a low boiling cleaning fluid with a high volatility rinsing fluid to dissolve tenacious, aged, polymerized, or overheated flux and pastes. Tergo Metal Cleaning Fluid dissolves contaminants from a wide variety of metals and alloys without damage. It's an effective parts cleaner or debinder and is a more environmentally friendly alternative to TCE, NPB, and PERC. So, when you need safe and sustainable cleaning and debinding fluids, look to Tergo Performance Fluids to get the job done. Only available at MicroCare.